Hello, welcome to the Project RBG stream. Yeah, I'm just testing out the frames right now, make sure there's no drop frames, because the last two times I started. So yeah, if you notice, it's pretty lo-fi, so I have pretty terrible internet. So you're just gonna have to hang out with me in real low quality here in the future of the channel, the future of Dark Slide Pictures and Digital Abstraction Studios and Crimpcore Records, and they're all being combined together to create Project RBG. And what is that exactly? Well, it's kind of a movie and a game hybrid, which, I mean, it's not like that's never been done before, but hopefully it's just going to be a little bit different than like full motion video kind of games, but it's going to have a little bit of that old school vibe, but with kind of these new school interactive sections. And another thing about it is that basically all the footage is being altered by AI. So I know a lot of people don't like AI, but in the defense of the project is not everything is AI. It's actually like things I shot, real footage that's being altered by AI. So yeah, I'm going to be using stable diffusion here, which is already kind of outdated, but I like it, and it's good for what we're doing. So I'm just gonna get at it here. So actually, stable diffusion is not even kept up with anymore, so you have to copy this, put it into here. See, this project no longer maintained. So in order to even get it to work, you have to fix that one line there. Okay. So we're going to put it to video input, because that lets me alter the clips that I uploaded here on my drive. And yeah, let's see what other settings I have to change here. So right here is where we want. So what I like to do is copy it from here, paste it. Okay, so the video is called 2025 underscore 01.mp4. Okay, now that tells the AI which video to alter, basically. Oh yeah, I didn't need it there, but okay. Yeah, that's basically all you have to do for the video input. For the other settings, you change a lot of other stuff, but yeah, that's it. So then here's the prompt that we need to do. So I want to have the same prompt the whole time, so we'll get rid of the second one. And now we gotta figure out what the prompt's gonna be. Okay. So I'll kind of describe the first shot, kind of how it is, and then I'll add things on top, like artistic styles and stuff to prompt it. Okay. Just thinking. Okay. We'll go dirty shopping cart with a black garbage bag blowing in the wind, and junk in the middle of an alleyway. Covered in debris and trash. In the background is a shed. Oh, looks like we got a few drop frames there, unfortunately. But I'm just gonna keep going. Jeez. Okay, we're back, I think. Sorry about that. Yeah, you're gonna have to bear with it. Those kind of drop frame glitches are just gonna be part of the show. So in the background is a shed covered in electric wires and vivid green vines. Up above are extremely moody clouds by Frank Miller and Van Gogh, an Unreal Engine 4, and Gothic Urban, and oh look, more drop frames. Okay, I tried closing one thing. Hopefully that fixed the drop frames. But anyways, we're 7 minutes in, so I'm not gonna restart. Just gonna keep going. Okay. Unreal Engine 4 and Gothic Urban. Oh yeah, so I need like hyper realism and high detail. At the front, I'm going to put a Polaroid picture. A Polaroid picture glowing with a strange aura of a... Yeah. Okay, I think I figured out the problem is because I'm playing music through the internet. So my internet's so bad that it needs all the internet just to stream. So should be okay. Okay, so what else we need to do here is go 1280 by 720, and I'm going to put the steps down to 30. And then I'll change it to that Euler instead of Euler Ancestral. Yeah. Jeez, those drop frames are really annoying. So let's see if I have other music I could play. It's just going to be quiet for a second. There we go. Now, hopefully there won't be any more drop frames. That's what I was doing, in case you were wondering. Okay, so now we'll put that 2025 01. So we want to not skip that. Is that all we need? I think it's all we need. Happy. No happy. I think we're ready to run. So, the cool thing about Google Collab is they actually give you a certain amount of free time that you can use. It's like, it's not like a lot, but it shows you. Here, let's see. I got 4 hours right now because I haven't used it in a few days. So if you do that, if you only use it once every few days, it'll like build up to like 4 hours like that. So you can't do it every day, but yeah. So I ran it. Now it gave me a Tesla T4, which is like a GPU worth like, I don't know, like $5,000 or something. So it just lets you use that for free, which is pretty cool. A lot of people don't know that, but you just can't try to run multiple accounts or you'll just get yourself banned. Okay, now I gotta do my Google Drive here, so I'm just gonna go to the city here with the blue doors for a second. Gotta keep things on the down low a little bit. Little security, if you know what I mean. See, we haven't had any drop frames yet but it says that I've had 2,000 drop frames, like 10% of the video or something. So that's pretty terrible. Oh well, I'm still gonna post it anyways. What can you do? So yeah, now it's doing the next model setup part. Takes a bit because it has to install all the things onto the machine in some warehouse, some Google warehouse. But yeah, it's cool. It shows you everything there. Yes. Project RBG. I did close my window with the chat because it's trying to make it not lag. So if there's anybody there, I can't really read your chat right now, but I will read it later. Let us see here. see what happens. This is the new year, 2025. And what will we do to survive? We're in space. Hey. Okay. Loading. Green, 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 green. That is good. Green, just like the G in Project RBG. Okay. There we go. Looking good so far. Okay, that's good. Pretty sure that means it's gonna work. Hopefully it loads the example from here. Yep, there we go. So that's what the first frame looks like there. Nice. See, it took my footage and it alters it, but it's not altering it like completely. It just kind of makes it look a little bit more like a moving painting or something, because everything kind of shifts, kind of like a scanner darkly or waking life. I think it's a pretty cool way to do like unique rotoscoping. So yeah, in this first Project RBG stream, I thought I'd do this. Just kind of show you guys how I churn all the clips. Well, this is one way. Stable diffusion is one way, and then disco diffusion. And then sometimes I use some websites, but they cost money, so I prefer this way because it's free. Change the song again. Yeah, now we'll just chill out for a bit. It's got 144 frames to do, and it's done 14 almost. 13, 14. So that shows you about how fast it is. And then once it gets to 144, it's actually going to turn them all into a video. I actually put it at the wrong frame rate, but I can fix that after. Yeah, so in your drive, all the frames they go there. So you can see it's at 16 frames, 17 now. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. It's like basically backing up the frames as it goes, because they go directly into your Google Drive. So it's like, even if this somehow crashes or stops working, you'll at least have everything it's done so far. Yeah. That's what I really like about AI. It's like everything I've made pretty much is in this drive. That's why it's almost full. So I have a whole bunch of stuff I don't need, so just gonna clear some of it out soon. I always procrastinate about that kind of stuff. I got like a million files. I've been working on this project for like 3 years. So at this point, I'm kind of just organizing stuff and getting it all AIified like this, and then once I have all the footage like that, I can really start putting it together. In future streams, I'm actually going to show you maybe a few clips so you can see more of the final result, and then also how I'm making it in an actual game engine, Copper Cube. But yeah, I'm going to take a little break while this is going, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with a little bit of coffee, and I'm gonna play some music from the game, because everything that's been playing so far is actually from older games I've made. Actually, there's a better version. So this is probably going to be the title screen music. So let's just chill out a little bit and listen to it. Well, the drop frames are down to 5% now, so that's good. It hasn't happened for a while. So that was definitely the problem now. Kind of got it figured out. I'm sure it's real low quality, but as long as you can hear everything and kind of see the glitchiness, that's kind of the whole vibe of the project. It's a little bit that compression where everything kind of glitches. Here's another song from the project. Be right back. Okay, 87 frames in. Not bad. I'll play this one. Oh yes. I think this one's gonna be kind of for like a secret section in the game, because it's a little bit different than the vibe of most of the game, but it could suit like a weird secret area for sure. Okay, I'm gonna try to open the Twitch chat thing. See if anybody happens to be there. Haven't really figured out the getting viewers part yet, but that's okay. Yeah, hopefully this doesn't cause dropped frames. We're just gonna chill out while this. Frame 96. For some reason it stopped showing here. Sometimes it glitches out a little bit. It's all JavaScript. As long as it's green like that, that means it's still going. Oh, it came back. Sometimes it does that. Stream manager, still kind of figuring it all out. Yes. 104 frames. See if there's another song. There's another one. Okay, seem to have gotten it figured out. Yeah, so once this is finished, it'll turn it into a video. And then we'll start the next clip after that. Figure out the prompt. Oh yes, Project RBG. It's like 3 different stories in one, basically. Red, blue, green, and then it's like 3 different characters that you can kind of choose from. And that is the plan. Looking at my chat settings here. Seems all good. Yeah. This one's nice and chill. "38 minutes in. Seems to have the drop frames are going now, so it's pretty bad at the start. Should work out. Wasn't really doing much yet. Okay. Well, it's almost there. Fix that. Just probably reload it. Two more frames. Okay, I'm gonna stop it and reload it. Okay. Now it should turn it into a 24 frame per second video, which is what I needed it to be. Because the original video is 24 frames, so it's 23.978 or whatever, but AI kind of sticks with even numbers more. If you know cameras, a lot of the cinema mode or whatever, it's always 23.978. It's just a weird quirk with it. For some reason it has to do that because of the computer stuff. It's the best way I can explain it. So yeah, there we go. see it good. Looks pretty cool, eh? It's got that Waking Life kind of vibe to it. So yeah, that was one shot, 6 seconds long, and that's about how long it took. But it did turned every frame into its own kind of painting, basically. So now we're down to 3 hours 40 minutes, so we got enough time to do the rest of the shots. So next is all we gotta do is go 02. Change it there. Okay. I'll do close up. And that's all we really need to change. Okay. Run that. Run that again. And run that. And it should be good. Let's pause that. Okay, now we're starting clip 2. See how it is. Oh. Here, yeah. I see there's a close-up of that same thing. If you can see. It's like if the camera was like right here. Pointed down the alley behind it. So that's actually cool. It just makes the colors like really nice, I find. It's without any color correction. You don't even need much, I find. So I have to actually convert everything to MPEG-1, which is like an old format for my engine, just because it works like that, and then it kind of makes everything a little more compressed looking, but I think it suits the vibe of my project. So sometimes it's like limitations can help art. That's kind of how it is. It's like ghetto art made in the ghetto. So yeah, it's going pretty good here. It looks real nice. The details there. I'm sure you can't see it in the quality of this horrible stream, but it's the best I can do with DSL. So it's more about just joining me and listening in and checking out the process, kind of how it works. Oh, it made them look like old cars back there. That's cool. It's interesting. Play this one. See if I got any other tracks hidden around. I'm gonna be making more music too on a future stream. different characters for Project Red, Blue, Green. Or sorry, Red, Blue, Green. Yep. So this guy's a painter. This guy's a writer. And this guy, I think he's gonna be like a podcaster, basically. That's me, but yeah, I just play one of the characters, and then my friend Martin, and then my friend Amir. Yep, slow and steady, right? That's how you make progress. Let's see if there's any other music. Well, what I could do is play. Trying to see. And this guy, I'm organizing all my files. Outpost. Yeah. This is an interesting one to play. 51 frames in, so I'll put it in a different folder here. Refresh it. So yeah. Did the one viewer who joined me before? That's pretty cool. Oh wait, I guess I actually did put it in the same folder. Now that I think about it, it's fine though. Oh, it gave me a few drop frames. That's what I get for trying to load this. Well, it's all good. Yeah. 62 frames there. 63. Let's just chill out for a bit. Looking good so far though. I really like the details that it puts on there. I keep getting drop frames for some reason. It's annoying. Sometimes it does that. Sometimes it disconnects a little bit, or it disconnects from here, but it's still going. Let's see. Yeah, as long as it goes green again, it's good. I guess it just doesn't like that open. See if we hopefully get no more drop frames. Oh, again. Let me just close that. See how it goes. can't have anything else open but the stream, basically. Nothing else taking the internet. But yikes. Seems all good. It's gonna look pretty cool. It's like a meditation. Focus on the future, the tunnel ahead. So you can't get to the end right away, it's really far. So you just take one little step, and that's what we're going to do every day. We're going to stream every day like this. We're going to work on different aspects of the game. /movie/project. So it's kind of like video journal or something. A little insight into the process. But mostly we're just hanging out. It's mostly just chill. One step at a time. Just getting along there. So once it's at 144, we'll run this part again. Makes the second video. Well, over an hour now. I wasn't sure exactly how long I'm going to go. I knew I wanted to go at least 1 hour. So we might as well go a bit longer here and get to the third clip. Let's see. Got 3 hours and 20 minutes left. It's pretty good. This is a new way to make content for the channel, and also is a way to promote the project. This is going to enhance the algorithm towards the main project RGB or RBG. Doesn't really matter because it's like you pick one of the three. So it's red, blue, green. Or you could go red, green, blue. Or you could go green, red, blue, black, white. But you gotta pick one. And that kind of chooses your starting point on the story map kind of thing. And that's kind of how you explore through the world. Each scene is kind of like its own room in the story map, almost. And then certain parts are interactable or interactive, where you're actually kind of walking around in a little room and you kind of see clues or whatever, like a note on a picture of somebody or a missing poster or stuff like that. 135. Pretty good. I'm gonna put this on the YouTube channel, see how it goes. I did it a while there with the music. Worked pretty good. Interesting experiment. So it's all about experimenting different ways to make content. It's basically it. Like atmosphere and mood. So we gotta figure out ways to set it. Okay, it seems to be done, so now we'll run this part. Here we go. Let's check it out. Nice. looking pretty cool. I'm happy with that result for sure. So that's the second clip. So now we'll start the third clip. And that's a whole different location and everything basically. It's actually, let's see, keep the very end part. Oh, we lost the visuals of the webcam because my camera just died, the battery. So I'll just move that out of the way and I'll just put that up there. But we'll just finish this with the audio. I'll just go about 5-10 more minutes and then we'll end the stream and I'll do the rest of this off stream. And that's it for the day anyways. So, oh yeah, we need that Frank. What we're gonna do is go squished flat mouse on top of a table in a dirty apartment building filled with trash. Also a strange glowing haze in the air by. That should be good. Run that. We ran this one, right? No, we didn't. Okay. Now let's check it out, see if it works. Okay. Seems to be going. Oh, oh wow. Check that out. That's awesome. It's always awesome when AI just kind of like surprises you a little bit. It's like you can't always exactly imagine what it's going to do. It somehow looks more like a mouse than the actual dead mouse that it was. Well, except this frame, but that's okay. It's giving it like multiple eyes. It's pretty creepy. That's cool. Yeah, I dig this. This one's 120 frames. It's not quite 6 seconds. It's like 5 seconds or something. But yeah, call an end to the stream here, and I'll probably highlight this whole thing and make sure we got Project RBG, rolling, because that was the plan for 2025. So, peace out.